Well, traders, good old Billy got me today. Really frustrating trade because I bomb ticked it and then this thing did exactly what I wanted it to do. Oh, those are painful days. Those are painful days. Let's get into it. Took a red day today and we'll be right back at it tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoy. Billy, let's see if we can get this one down to around $15. This one's selling on off very quickly. Start with 100 shares at $15.36. Plan on adding into this down to $15. So if this can get to $15, I will build a position there down to 15. Just the same type of deal I've been doing, but on the long side rather than the short side. All right, we're dropping even further here. That's fine. Risking down to 15 bucks. Trying to pick up another few shares. I didn't get. Okay, there we go. Another 100 shares at 15.21. Now a 15.28 average. I'll have one more ad near 15 bucks, and then that'll be the end of Billy. It's fine if we keep falling. It's looking a little heavy. Plan on adding one more time to this if we can get down near 15 bucks. We're coming right down to the 200 day, which I do like that. Right down to that 200 day there at 15.16. I plan on adding one more time to this. Dropping a little further, that's fine. That's what we're looking for. This is an easy trade for me, guys. It's just, my set risk, my 3 ads. It's what we went over last week. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. If it does, it does. All right, 100 more shares. Now I got an average cost of $15.20. I'm down that 50 bucks. So let's see what this is going to do around 15. Coming right down to that 200-day moving average. I want to see it kind of come under 15 and then bounce right back up through it. So we're coming right down to that 200. We want to see it kind of bounce right off of that 15.16. So we're coming under that. I want to see a nice little bounce. Staying under 15 I don't want, so we expected it to crack under 15. All right, I'm all out. I want it to stay above $15. It wasn't doing it, so I'm just going to take the loss on that one. It's having a hard time staying above that $15 area, so I'm just taking the loss there. And we see this falling even further here. Wow. And as soon as I sell my position, there it goes, right back up to my average cost of $15.20. Wow. It is so irritating to cut at the bottom, guys. I mean, it's so irritating to cut at the bottom. And the plan was perfect on this. The plan was absolutely perfect on this. It's just, it was having a really tough time getting back above 15. What I was thinking it was going to do was just crack under it and then pop right back up through it. And not hover around that area, but for about 3 minutes straight here at 15 it was having a really tough time getting above it. Of course, as soon as I cover, it comes right back up through 15, and now that's serving as a level of support. I just wasn't wanting that to take so long, I guess. I think it was just taking a little too much time for me, and I was getting a little scared out of the position instead of embracing that fear there. I either could have had a break-even trade here, a smaller loss, or I could have taken profits as well up in here. I'm not upset with this trade because, I was planning for 15, and I was planning for it to come under 15, actually. Could have been a little patient with my third ad. That's probably what I could have done a little bit better. Been a little bit more patient with that third ad. Here's my chart on Billy. My 3 ads, which was great. I was planning for that lower shadow just like it did. Just could have been a little bit more patient with that third ad. Maybe even more patient with these entries as well. For that pop back up to VWAP, which it ended up getting. So just a little premature here. I am happy that I took the loss there, that I am able to cut, according to my plan, because that was the plan. I was having a tough time at 15, getting back over that. So I'm happy there with that trade in a way. There's things to learn from it. This is exactly what I was looking for on Billy. Just back up to that VWAP. When the trade works like I wanted to, but I get a little scared out of it because it's not able to get back above that $15 area. Well, traders, that's going to be the day today. The one loss. I'm not going to revenge trade, although I would love to. That's going to be it for today. Going to take the loss, learn from it, and move on. Let me know how you guys did in the comment section below, traders, and we will see you guys all first thing tomorrow morning.